What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about my homepage. Yeah, it's been a while since I posted in that playlist about my me building a website. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're gonna be looking at my website, or at least my homepage of the website, and what I've done so far. Sorry it took so long, guys. Work has been really busy. It's beginning of the new year, and yeah, we're just trying to do a lot of things for the new year. Anyways, I mean for the new year, for the new year, beginning of the new year. I think I said that right. So anyways, I just wanted to, it's gonna be a quick video. It's probably gonna be a 4-minute video, but I just wanted to tell you what frameworks or what technologies I use so far. So far I have, for the back end anyways, I have Pug. It used to be known as Jade. It's called a template engine. I'm using Express.js, and I know you're probably saying, dude, there's so many other frameworks you could be using. Yeah, I know, and I used Express because I'm extremely familiar with it, but I'm getting better with Koa, and I think I'm liking Koa better and better. We're using it at work, so this is why I'm getting so familiarized with Koa. But yeah, I know there's Meteor, Nest, Cells, Koa, Loopback, Happy, but I prefer Express for right now because I'm, like I said, familiar with it. So Pug, Express, and Node.js, obviously. Those are the things I'm using for the back end, and for the front end, I'm using the 3 basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and jQuery, just to make animation a little bit better. Even though you could do it with CSS, but I'm not that good with CSS. To do all those animations, like, I could do some animations, but some crazy animations, no, I can't. I just can't stop. I can't. But guys, yeah, those are all the frameworks technologies I'm using. And every time I make a play, I just want you to know, every time I make a playlist on about another framework we're going to be using, like React or Angular, we're going to keep on redoing my website with that technology. So right now, since I've taught a Node.js playlist, I have a Node.js playlist. This is why I'm doing Express, Node.js, and template engines, that kind of stuff. That's why I'm building my website like this. But when I get my React or Angular, whatever framework front end framework, I should say, when I get that playlist, I'll make another series on my website building it with that framework. But yeah, guys, I think so. Just a little bit of back, I wanted a parallax effect to this website, so this is what I did. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching so much about this, man. Seriously, I really do appreciate you guys. Just keep on watching my videos, and I really do appreciate the fact that you take time off your day to watch these videos. I appreciate it. But this is the final product, at least final homepage. Please leave a comment down below on what you think about it. What should I add, if anything? And subscribe if you haven't. If this is the first time, welcome. This is a tutorial for web development. It's my name says it all. Web dev journey. We're taking a journey on web development. It's everything about dealing with web development. But yeah, subscribe, comment, and like it. And yeah, tell me seriously, guys, I really do want you to tell me what you think about this. So without further ado, let's get right into the preview. So guys, this is my homepage, and yeah, first impressions. Let me know in the comments what you think. But it's pretty cool. Here's my nav bar. If I hover over it, it has this cool little hover feature. But let me show you the parallax. But let me show you, let me tell you what's going to happen. These planets right here are gonna get smaller. Well, actually, let's do this. Leave a comment down below on what's happening on the parallax, so that way, let's see if you actually get what I'm trying to do. So here goes. I'm gonna actually scroll down a bit. All right, did you see that? I'm actually refresh it because that about is supposed to fade in, and then bam. What I'm gonna do is, yes, it's gonna be a scroll feature where once we get closer and closer to the about, it'll start fading in, and once we get further and further, it'll start fading out. Right now it doesn't do that, but it does fade in. As you saw, it does fade in. See that? It fades in. But anyways, let me do it one more time, my parallax. Let me see. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, because I ain't going to tell you right now. These planets get smaller. My logo obviously gets bigger. This planet gets bigger and it goes down as well as you're scrolling. So that way it has that cool animation like you're moving away or closer to it. And the land itself is like elevating, so that way it gives a little effect that you're actually moving upward. You see that? Like going away from it, like going down on this blue hill, I guess. Going down from it, you can see it like, yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And the stars, I think the stars is the best feature of this because it feels like you're actually moving down with it. Like, look at that, it actually moves. That was pretty cool. But yes, guys, this is my homepage, and you might be asking, why didn't you use a CSS framework for this? Or if you're not asking it, I'm gonna still tell you. The reason why is because CSS frameworks are built-in already CSS libraries, or already has built-in CSS classes. But if you're trying to do like an animation like I'm doing right now, Bootstrap is not gonna help you. All right, you have to build this on your own. Okay. I am going to be using Bootstrap for their grid system, but right now I'm using media queries to do phones. And let me show you how it looks on phone. So let me go to the iPhone, since I have most of the iPhones. Let me go to iPhone 5, which is the smallest, and it does the same little thing. You go down, the planet goes down with you. And the web, we do got to make that a little bit slower, but yeah. And if you click on the menu icon, it comes out. I do still need to do a little bit of work here. It looks so nasty and looks so plain. I mean, I'm still waiting on a logo idea to pop in my head. I still haven't, so I just put this WDJ. And yeah, I mean, it has, if you click on it, it'll scroll all the way down. It'll scroll down with you, and I didn't show you the desktop version of it, but if you exit out, it'll have this cool little animation. So that's for 5. Here's the X. I mean, it plays very well with the mobile and tablet versions as well. So as you can see, like, everything's smooth, like nothing's wrong with it except for this nav. Jesus, it looks so nasty. I'm thinking about making this background blacker, transparent black, and then making this pop a little bit more, so that way it'll have that nice looking look to it. But that's the iPad, the iPad Pro, Pixel. I think I gotta work on my Pixel, because yeah, I don't have a media query for that yet. My Galaxy, I do have that. It'll work for mostly every phone in place. It'll work for mostly every phone that we have. And check this out. I'm gonna get out of it now. And check this out. If I go to contact, look at this hover feature. It'll scroll all the way. It's pretty cool. I think I showed that already. I'm not too sure, but I think that's one of the best features on this, because it goes with whatever section you're in. And every time you scroll down, it'll automatically go to that section. See, we're going to the about. Right here's the portfolio. You can't read it, but once we go to the portfolio, it'll scroll down to the portfolio. Once we go to the merch, which is right here, you can't see it, and I can't. Oh god, let me see. Oh, it's right here. If I keep on going down, it goes to the merch. Keep on going down, goes to contact. So yeah, that's my website for right now. At least my homepage. Leave a comment down below on what you thought about it. Subscribe if you have not, and give it a like. Give this video a like. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Really, I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.